the volute, our meanline code also generates a volute report, and this information is used by Turbo Design Volute to design the volute for the CPU cooling fan. And so along the main dimensions, it's also possible to define section shapes at the entry duct and inlet, which are selected as rectangular with rounded corners, which is seen in these fans. And the most important input is the boundary condition at the volute inlet, that is the radial and tangential velocity components, because then Turbo Design Volute runs a 2D inverse design code to give us the optimum cross-sectional area distribution